If you can't find the settings icon on the home screen of your iPhone, then let us see how to bring it back. The first thing that you can do is swipe the screen down and in this search box search for settings. When you find the settings icon, tap and hold on the settings application and select this option add to home screen, and you will find the settings icon at the end of the home screen. Or else what you can do is swipe the screen to the left, and when you are in this app library, you can see in the utilities folder there is settings icon. So what you do, tap and hold on this settings icon for some time and select add to home screen, and you will see the settings icons at the end of the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment in the box below if you found this video helpful.